Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we'll be diving into the top 5 best instant meat thermometers available on the market right now. Whether you're a seasoned grill master or just starting out in the kitchen, having a reliable meat thermometer can make all the difference in cooking your food to perfection. Stick around, because we're breaking down the pros, cons, and everything in between to help you make the best choice. As always, you can find product links in the description below. Let's get started. Coming in at number 5, we have the ANDAXIN Digital Meat Thermometer. This sleek red and black thermometer is designed with speed and accuracy in mind, boasting a 3-second read time and +1 degree Fahrenheit accuracy. Whether you're grilling, frying, or baking, this thermometer covers a wide temperature range from -58 degree Fahrenheit to 572 degree Fahrenheit, making it versatile for various cooking applications. The lock and calibration feature ensures that your readings are always spot on, even in high heat situations. The ANDAXIN thermometer is built to last, with an IP65 waterproof rating and a sturdy ABS body that can handle accidental drops. The magnetic back and hanging hole add convenience, allowing you to store it easily on any metal surface or hook. The backlit LCD display is bright and clear, making it easy to read temperatures in low-light conditions, whether you're barbecuing in the evening or cooking indoors. While it performs well for its price, the 3-second response time feels a bit slower compared to some of the competition. Additionally, it lacks some advanced features like motion sensing or auto-rotating displays. However, with its 1-year warranty and CE RoHS certifications, it's a solid choice for those looking for a dependable, no-frills meat thermometer. Pros include its durability, accuracy, and ease of use, while cons include the slightly slower response time and fewer premium features. At number 4, we have the ThermoPro TP19H digital meat thermometer. This thermometer stands out thanks to its 180 degrees auto-rotating backlit display, which makes it perfect for both left-handed and right-handed users. Its motion sensing technology is a notable feature, waking the device when you pick it up and putting it to sleep when not in use, saving battery life. The 3 to 4 second response time and ±0.9 degrees Fahrenheit ensure reliable results. Whether you're grilling, frying, or baking, the TP19H is IP65 waterproof, meaning it can be easily rinsed under running water for cleaning. A magnetic back allows you to store it on a metal surface, and the built-in hanging hole adds another storage option. A large 4.3-inch stainless steel probe is ideal for reaching the center of thick cuts of meat without getting too close to the heat. The lock function is a great addition, allowing you to lock the temperature reading on the screen for easier note-taking away from the heat source. That said, the ThermoPro TP19H does have some drawbacks. With a response time of 3 to 4 seconds, it's not the fastest on the list. Additionally, while it includes advanced features like motion sensing, it doesn't offer the ultra-bright LED display seen in higher-ranked models. Overall, it's a solid performer with great usability. Pros include its ambidextrous design, waterproof build, and motion sensing functionality, while cons include its slower-than-average response time and mid-tier display quality. Taking the number 3 spot, we have the Alpha Griller's Meat Thermometer. This product is a favorite among grilling enthusiasts, offering a simple yet highly effective design. It boasts a 1 to 2 second response time, making it one of the fastest thermometers in its price range. The pre-calibrated probe ensures accuracy right out of the box, and it even includes a recalibration feature for long-term reliability. The Alpha Griller's thermometer features a water-resistant IP67 rating, so you can rinse it under running water without worry. Its large blue backlit display is easy to read in both bright and dim conditions. Plus, with a wide temperature range and multi-use capabilities, you can use it for everything from grilling steaks to making candy. The kit comes with a meat temperature chart and an extra battery, adding a nice touch for value-conscious buyers. However, it does lack some of the premium features seen in higher-end models, like motion sensing or auto-rotating displays. Its plastic build, while lightweight, doesn't feel as durable as some competitors. That said, the Alpha Griller's thermometer is an excellent choice for those looking for a fast, reliable, and affordable option. Pros include its quick response time, water-resistant design, and ease of use, while cons include its simpler feature set and less robust build quality. At number 2, we have the Thermomonster Instant Read Meat Thermometer. This thermometer is a standout performer with its lightning-fast 0.5-second read time and plus-minus 0.5 degrees Fahrenheit precision, thanks to its advanced thermocouple sensor. It's NIST certified for accuracy, making it a fantastic choice for professional chefs and serious home cooks alike. The auto-flip LCD display is bright and easy to read, and its motion-sensing wake-sleep feature ensures energy efficiency. The Thermomonster thermometer is 100% waterproof, making it easy to clean under running water. The sturdy build, combined with a 4-inch probe and temperature lock function, makes it both durable and practical for high-heat cooking environments. Whether you're grilling, baking, or frying, this thermometer delivers reliable results every time. Its only real downside is the higher price point compared to simpler models, but the advanced features and top-tier performance more than justify the investment. Pros include its ultra-fast response time, precision accuracy, and premium build quality. The only con is its slightly higher learning curve due to its advanced features, but once you get used to it, it's a joy to use. Finally, at number 1, we have the Thermomaven Professional Digital Meat Thermometer. This thermometer truly sets the gold standard with a 1-second response time and an impressive plus-minus 0.5 degree Fahrenheit accuracy, backed by NIST certification. The auto-rotating bright LED screen is exceptionally clear and perfect for outdoor grilling, even in low light. Plus, the motion-activated wake-sleep feature makes it incredibly user-friendly. The Thermomaven thermometer is 100% waterproof, so cleaning is hassle-free. Its durable build ensures longevity, and the included calibration certificate adds confidence in its precision. Whether you're a grilling pro or a kitchen beginner, this thermometer is versatile enough for barbecues, candy making, or even everyday cooking. With a price point of $17.99, it offers premium features at an unbeatable value. There's little to complain about here, but if we had to nitpick, the lightweight plastic build might not feel as premium as some heavier models. That said, its performance, ease of use, and advanced features make it our top pick. Pros include its lightning-fast response time, waterproof and durable design, and bright, user-friendly display. The only con is the lightweight build, which may not feel as sturdy as some might prefer. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope this video helped you narrow down your options for the best instant meat thermometer. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to our channel for more in-depth reviews. Got questions about these products? Drop them in the comments below, and I'll get back to you as soon as I can. Until next time, happy cooking.